Nice little car, guys. Okay, so I got the tire dismounted. That's what I can see, guys. Okay, guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is remove this. Okay, so that is removed. Now I gotta find a way to remove those three and that one right there, this one. Okay guys, so I got these ones loose, as you can see. So I'm gonna completely remove them. I got that one off. Which one is it down here? This one, which is that one. That one's completely off already. It's right here. So we'll see what these ones do. Hopefully this one loosens everything up. Okay guys, so I got that thing loose. I'm pretty sure that's the only thing that was needed, just to loosen those three up, because that one's still attached. But I managed to pull this thing this way where this thing's completely loose. So for now I'm gonna try to take it off from right there and see if nothing else is in the way. But for now that seems to be working. But if anything goes wrong, I'll start recording back again. Okay guys, so I removed everything right here, so I need to get it removed from the back, which is kind of complicated. So after you have all these things loose, I'm gonna try to go through the top side. So I'm gonna remove right now the battery and see if I could get to the top of it from right here, from the top. So I'm gonna remove the battery. Okay guys, so I removed the battery. Battery is right there. Now this is the plastic that's holding the battery underneath. So it's got some bolts right here in the middle, and these ones. So remove these ones and they should come out. And there is the little boot, the axle right there. See? So what we gotta do is go behind that. Let me see, hold on. Yeah, behind this one, this thing, with the little pry bar, and try to, get the little pry bar, go behind it and try to push it out, up. Yeah, and that should loosen it up. We'll see, we gotta try it. Okay guys, finally got it out. Doing it through the top right here did not work. I couldn't get my hands behind it. I could touch it with my hands, and get, feel how everything is, but that was no help. I couldn't get no tools behind it. I went to AutoZone and rented one of their tools. One of these axle poppers, but these will not work for these type of cars. So I believe it's like an 06 to all the way 2015. I'm not sure, you need to look into that, but this one's a 2013, and this tool does not work because there's two of them. There's two. This is doubled. If it only had one pick, then that would have definitely worked. But like this double is not gonna work. So if you find So if you find yourself having to change an axle on one of these cars, this is what helped. I think this is like a jackhammer, or I don't know what you might call it, but this belongs to a jackhammer. And you need to go underneath, put it in between. Of course, this one's already kind of loose, but it's already loose, you can see. But there's a small gaps. Then you need to put it in here and just hit it up with the hammer. You just keep on pushing it up with the hammer, and until this thing will pop. As you can see, this thing's already loose. That's what you want, guys. Okay, guys, so forget totally about this top part. Just don't remove the battery, none of the plastic, none of this stuff. It's gonna help. So here it is, guys. And I was pulling on it. That's why this is the only thing that got left inside, because I was pulling on it and everything just came apart. See, this is the first thing that was in there. I think this one belongs to this side. I think, I can't remember, but this was right here. Oh yeah, that was right there, and that one goes in here. But it doesn't matter how that thing used to go. Main thing is that we got it out, and now I'm gonna put in the new one. So remember, if you got a similar car, this is gonna help you out, something like this. And don't try to put it in and try to, pull it sideways. Just hit it with the hammer up, and that thing will pop right out. Okay, guys, so I got the axle in place now. As you can see, everything's all greased out, pretty dirty, but I'll clean that up right now. And grease that too. Here's the new bolt that I'm gonna place back in. So yeah, guys, it's pretty difficult. It's pretty easy once you know what to do, but I was looking at another YouTube video, so you can't really find nothing for this year car. Just a video of a guy, but he doesn't really explain what to do. He's just practically telling you that it's pretty easy, but doesn't tell you how to do it. So that wasn't helpful. But yeah, let me get everything back together, guys. Okay, guys, so everything's back in. My tire's back in. Everything turned out pretty good. But I just noticed something. Sorry about the wind, guys. Look, my steering wheel is straight, and this tire is practically straight. And this one, I don't know if you can see, is going that way. So something underneath there is bent or something. That's causing the light, the stability control light, and the TPMS light, the tire pressure light, I mean. So yeah, let me open the car back up. Let me lift the car back up, remove the tire, and I have to check that thing back again. I don't know if you guys could tell, you could easily see the wheel going that way, and this one's perfectly straight. So yeah, let me remove the wheel again. Okay, guys, and for those of you that are removing door panel off Passat, similar years, you gotta remove this trim and this other plastic cover right here. This is what I used, the flatheads screwdriver. Some of you don't want to use something like this because it'll scratch the plastic, but if you do it carefully, you could get them off without messing up the rest of the door panel. So there's gonna be that right there. It's gonna be one in here, and then you're gonna have these that's a 10mm, and there's another 10mm here. They're plastic. Let me take this off. Okay guys, there it is. I removed it. Now I'm gonna install the headlight. I mean, not the headlight, the side mirror. Okay guys, so I aligned it. I aligned the tire now. So they're both pretty straight now. I also replaced the ABS sensors. So because of that, the lights went off. So no more ABS light and no more well, not the ABS light, no more stability control light, and no more the tire pressure light. So got the lights off. Now what's next is to clean the car out. I installed also the mirror, side mirror. So now I'm just gonna clean the car out. That's pretty much it. It's pretty cool that I got that light off, but no, it was the I needed to get the car tire aligned, and the ABS sensors. The ABS sensors never crossed my mind until Todd from Unwrecked suggested that the ABS sensors could be it. So yeah, appreciate that, and I'm gonna continue cleaning out the car. But pretty much the car is complete, besides the hubcap. There's glass everywhere, guys. Glass everywhere. As if they broke a couple windows. And more glass. Everywhere glass. Okay guys, so there it is. The car is complete. Besides those little dents that are on the door right there, I'm gonna leave those the way they are. See those little dents? Everything else is nice. Cleaned it up. fender, same exact color, guys. Come on, nice. This car came from Desto. Got that dealer thing on the window that says Modesto. So it's the new tail light. I mean the headlight working properly. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this build. Let me know what you guys think, and see you guys in the next video.